Hi guys, Gary here, aka Gaz-D-Projects. We're going to be looking at the V-brake system on the giant bike, the braking system also known as a linear pull system. We're going to look at the components, how we service them, grease them all up, and the walkthrough of running the cables through and servicing the brake system itself correctly and setting it up. So let's take a look at the components. Okay, so we have the post V-brake system here itself and the neutral receiver on top, the pad itself, and the brass bush also gets overlooked, the spring tensioner and nylon bush on the inside, along with the bolt for the fork and the spring hole receiver on the end. We have a few other new parts here to fit: new rubber, noodle grommet, noodle itself, cables and end covers. So guys, stay tuned for more, and I hope you guys enjoy. And remember, hit the like, subscribe and tell your friends. We don't just cover bike stuff here, we cover a number of different things here. So have a look around, see if you like something, give us a subscribe, like, hit that notification bell for more, and keep her handy. Talk soon.